welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for deciding to click on today's video. It is going to be a PR haul and unboxing. I do these every single Friday here on my channel where I save up all my packages from the week and then we open them together. So if you guys are ready to see what I got in my mailbox this week, go ahead and keep on watching. Boxes I'm going to get into this week came over from NUGG. This very first one here says, meet our new all-natural, vegan, cruelty-free, scrumptious lip scrub and smoother with a special edition chocolate mint aroma. This is available on October 1st, so it is available now. Oh, this is cute. So it has like a little box in here. I'm kind of tearing the box apart, but it had like this cute little like glittery box. So here is what the lip exfoliating scrub looks like. Cute packaging. I do have the original lip scrub and it's really, really nice. So this is exciting to try out. Thank you to NUGG. And I'm gonna go ahead and open. We got another box from them this week as well. All right, so this next box, it says, Dear Molly, fall means that leaves change color, Halloween is coming, and new masking routine. We hope you fall in love with our top picks for fall. Aw, this is cute. It's got like a little pumpkin in here. Guys, I'm so excited for fall. It is like my favorite season ever and everything about fall I love. So this is the exfoliating lip smoother. This is like the original one that I was just talking about that I do really, really enjoy. And then also in here we have the exfoliating skin smoothing. This is a cranberry seed and jojoba beads mask. I love NUGG's mask because they just come in like these little components here and you can actually open this up and then reseal it so you can use the mask up to like 4 times. So this one here is their face mask. It's a hydrating camellia seed and I don't know how to say that, but it's a camellia seed deep hydration moisture boost. It says for hydrated, dewy, and smooth complexion. So there's that one. And then also in here, ooh, we got a candle, I think. Yes, okay, so it says caramel apple. That smells so good. It smells just like fall. Ooh, I'm excited to burn this. I love fall candles. Those are the best. So thank you, NUGG, for sending over both of these packages. I can't wait to try out those masks and love, love, love having lip exfoliators, especially as the winter comes around. Those are super helpful when my lips start to get like really dry. Okay, so I'm really excited about this next box. This came over from INFLUENSTER and Joah, and Joah is a newer brand. I hope I'm saying that right. And I've been seeing a few things come around of people talking about them. So it is an inspired by K-Beauty brand, and INFLUENSTER sent this over to me, so I'm excited. There's a few products in here. If you guys don't know what INFLUENSTER is, it is a site that you guys can use to sign up to review different items. I will link it down below. Anyone can sign up for it, and anyone can review different items. They have a ton of different stuff on there, not just makeup. So this first thing here is an eyeshadow palette. This is the Birthday Suit Unveiled eyeshadow palette. So here's what that looks like. We also have in here, what is this? This is a I'm Your Jelly Bae. This is a matte gel lipstick. There's what that shade looks like. And then also in there, we have this Brow Done To Me. This is a precision brow pencil. This one is in the shade Brunette. That's exciting to try. And then we also have in here I'm Fly Liner. This is a felt tip liquid eyeliner. Super, super exciting to try out these products. I've been hearing really good things about their company so far. And I know that I believe their products are like decently affordable from what I understand. So let me go ahead and swatch a couple shades in this palette. So there's what the inside looks like without the packaging on it. Let me go ahead and swatch the shades for you guys. I don't know what I was expecting from that palette, but this kind of blew me away when I went to go swatch these. Like, look at that white shade. They actually swatched like really, really nicely. They feel super, super buttery. So this has me really excited, and these tones right here like seem so fall. But even look at that deep shade. Like, that is a good swatch for like a matte color. I'm really excited to try this out on the eyes. Again, this is the Birthday Suit palette. So thank you to INFLUENSTER and also Joah for sending over these products. This next box I have here is from Karity, and I believe this is gonna be those new blush palettes. I'm hoping that's what it is. Yes. I've been seeing everyone pull these out and they look so freaking pretty. Okay, so these are their Blush Bomb palettes. These are $14 each and there is 4 different ones. I'm so excited to see these. So let me pull out this first one right here. So this one right here is the Boom Berry palette, and here's what that looks like. Love the packaging. And here is, ooh, this is pretty. So here is the inside of that one. Look at how gorgeous this is. So, so fun. I feel like these are different colors for kind of, ooh, a blush book. And let me go ahead and swatch these. That's pretty. It has a highlight in it as well. So there is a swatch of all 3 of those shades. These blushes look really pigmented, so definitely probably go in these with a light hand. So there is also 4 other palettes. We have the Burgundy Blast, which is gonna look like this. We also have this one here, which is Coral Kaboom. That one looks really pretty. It has like some orangey shades in there. And then we also have the Pow Pink. And that one looks gorgeous as well. I'm really, really excited to dig into these and try them out. And from the looks of this one, like they seem like they're gonna be really, really nice. So thank you to Karity for sending this to me. Up next, we got a box from Profusion. They have been killing it with their releases lately, you guys. I actually have on my eyes, which palette is this? This is the Pro Pigment palette. I love the formula of their eyeshadow palettes. They're so, so good. All right, so it says fall into fall. Ooh, so we got some eyeshadow palettes, a face collection, and a lip palette. So let me open these up. They always come individually wrapped, so they're kind of like little presents. All right, so I finally got everything open. This is the face collection, and this is in Sunlight. So here's what that looks like. It has a brush and then also a face palette. So it looks like in there you have a couple blushes, a bronzer, as well as a highlighter, and then you get the brush as well. This only retails for $6.99. The quality of their face products as well is really, really good. And then we also have a couple of different lips to go. So we have here, ooh, the Fantasy shade and then also Passion. So here's what both of those look like. And then inside you have a matte lip cream, a matte lip liner, and then also a sparkling lip topper. That red, like this red bundle kind of reminds me just of like Christmas. Like that would be so awesome on Christmas. These are each $4.99. And then we have the eyeshadow palette. I'm so excited for this. So this is the Chocolates eyeshadow palette. Ooh, look at this. How pretty is that? This is like fall vibes all over it. All right, let me swatch a couple of the shades. This looks so gorgeous. Oh my God, you guys, look at the inside of this palette. Does that not scream fall? I kind of feel like this shade right here, like this one right here, kind of reminds me of like Subculture. I bet it will perform a little better than that palette though. So let me swatch that one. It's called Quest. Okay, so it looks a little bit more green on than it does like in the pan. So we have that shade. I'm gonna swatch a couple of these shimmers. The shimmers in the Profusion palettes are always so, so nice. And ooh, this one looks really pretty. All right, so here are a couple swatches from the palette. I definitely went for like all the greens, but look at that gold shade. So gorgeous. I can't wait to try this out. Like I said, I have one of their eyeshadow palettes on my eyes right now, and it performed so nicely. So looking forward to trying this one. Let me know, of course, down below what you guys want to see in like a first impressions. I've been doing a bunch of first impressions on my channel, and I've been looking through the comments of these PR unboxings to see what products you guys want to see in the first impressions. So always leave a comment down below. Let me know like what products you want to see in that first impressions, and I can definitely try them out for you guys. Moving right along, we have a box here from Farah Brushes. Ooh, it says, on our birthday, a gift to you from us. Ooh, that's exciting. So it says, dear Molly, enjoy our birthday launch. And ooh, so they have a birthday launch coming out. I was trying to say though, their brushes are such good quality. I use them like almost literally every single day. At least one of their brushes every single day. Oh, how cute. All right, so let me pull this out here. This is beautiful. So this is the Gold Digger 10-piece brush set. Look at how cute they put like a little ribbon on it. This is so perfect for like holidays. All right, so this is a 10-piece brush set. I'm so excited. Oh my God. The handles on here, let me pull this out so I can show you guys. It looks like they have like gold handles. Ooh, look at this. Ah, that is so pretty. So this is like a gold brush holder case, and I love their brush holders because they just have like these little things here on the end. I took them with me last time I traveled. I literally have so many of them, but ooh, I am so, oh my God. These are beautiful. Look at the handle on these. So, so pretty. And you guys, they have like the softest, I know you can't really tell, but I swear to you, they have like the softest brushes, and they are such good quality. And I just love their brushes. Like I said, I use them all the time, and this is so exciting. Look at how gorgeous these are. I'm obsessed. So they have in here like some face brushes. There's also in here a bunch of eye brushes. I just can't get over these handles. These are so, so pretty. I do have a discount code too with Farah brushes. It's not an affiliate code, but they did give me one to share with you guys. So I'll link it down below. I can't remember it off the top of my head, but I'll link it down in the description box for you guys. Next up, we have a package from Origins, and they launched a brand new skincare mask. So this is their Hello Calm Relaxing and Hydrating Face Mask. So this has cannabis and also stevia, I can never say that word right, seed oil. So basically it's like a naughty mask for your face. So it's supposed to be calming. And then also in here there's this cute little like Good and Green Origins like bag. I always love their little canvas bags. So let's read a little bit about this mask. So it says only with the good stuff, formulated without parabens, mineral oil. And it also says in here, Hello Glam, lush and super nourishing, instantly hydrates to calm and soothe your skin. Essential oil blend helps to de-stress and it's non-intoxicating. I'm gonna be trying this one out tonight. I love that it's green too. I'm gonna go ahead and smell it because you guys know I like to smell everything. It smells really good actually. So here's what it looks like. That is so fun that it's like green like that. So I'm excited to try this out. Thank you so much to Origins for sending that to me. All right, so moving right along, we have a box from LASHYLICIOUS. You guys, I'm so excited to see these lashes right now. So if you guys do not know, LASHYLICIOUS is a brand founded by Farah Pro Makeup on Instagram. And you guys, she is the sweetest and her account is so awesome. So she said, we hope you enjoy round 2. I'm so excited to see what lashes we have in here. Ooh, they are some of like the most high quality lashes. They're so nice. So this is the Dreamy Licious. And all of them have the licious on the end, which is so fun. Ooh, look at how pretty. There is the Dreamy Licious. And then we also have, which one is this? This one is Glammy Licious. Ooh, these are dramatic. There is what Glammy Licious looks like. And also, this one is Wispy Licious. I bet I'm gonna like, ooh, yes, this is my vibes. There's Wispy Licious, that's kind of hard to say. And then the last one in here is Fabulicious. And I think these are, I want to say I already had these one, I'm not sure though, but they kind of remind me of another one. But look at how gorgeous. Her lashes, you guys, like I said, are such good quality and they're really, really nice. She is the sweetest, so I'll link her Instagram down below and also these lashes for you guys. But thank you so much to Farah for sending these over to me. All right, so this next box came over from Lancome. Oh my God, this packaging is so cute again. So look at what it looks like, super fun. And let me untie the bow here. So here is what the collection looks like. We have a bunch of different products in here. Okay, so we do have an eyeshadow palette. Ooh, this is pretty. Here's what that looks like. Definitely fall vibes again. I'm loving these fall collections right now. So excited for fall makeup. I love this packaging too, super fun. And then we also have in here, it looks like a couple different lip products. So we have a couple of different lipsticks here and these look super bougie, like they feel even kind of heavy. So you push down on the top and then you pull them out. Ooh, here's what that one looks like. That one's really pretty. Let me swatch it for you guys. Ooh, this looks like it's gonna be a nice, like kind of a creamy lipstick. So here's a swatch of that shade for you. And then the other one here, this packaging is so cool. Let me push that one down. Oh, ooh, this one is very vampy. Look at that one. That one is super vampy. And then let me show you guys the other products. So then we have 2 different other lip products and here's what these ones look like. These are interesting. So here's both of those and it looks like on one side, is this like a lip crayon? Oh yeah, okay, so this is like a lip crayon that you can use to line your lips. Ooh, that is creamy. Holy moly, okay, and then let me swatch the other side. This is so cool, it has like a lip gloss on the other side. Okay, so that one's like a clear lip gloss, so I'm assuming you would put the other part, like the crayon, all over your lips. And look at how creamy and neon that shade is. And then you have the gloss pour on top of that. That is really cool. And then we have this shade as well. And then we also have these here. So these are the Ombre Hypnosis Cal Gel. So these are going to be for like your eyeliner. Oh, okay, cool. So these will be for like your waterline. Here's what that one looks like. I'm loving the shape of these. These are really cool. And then we have a black one as well. So let me just swatch this one. Oh, awesome. These are going to be so, so good for the waterline. Look at how black that one is. I feel like you could even use this one like actually on your lash line because this looks like it would be really easy to like get right in there, especially over top of false lashes. I'm going to try that for this just to go like right over top of your false lashes. You know, when you get like the glue stuck there, that looks really nice though. All of the swatches of this collection look beautiful. Thank you so much to Lancome. It's so exciting getting packages from them. So I'm excited to try out all these fall goodies. All right, so we just have 2 more packages left. This next one came over from Marc Anthony Hair Care. It says silicone-free, ultra-lightweight products that tame frizz without weight or the buildup. So I'm excited. Oh my God, there's so many products in here. All right, so first off, I'm loving the purple. Love, love, love the purple. So this is the Humidity Shield Hairspray. So this is going to block humidity to fight frizz, extra hold. Love this. I am excited because I always deal with frizzy hair. Like literally before I film, I'll sit here and like push down my hair. So this is really exciting. And then we also have the Blow Dry Cream. This is going to create sleek and smooth frizz-free hair. Awesome. Ooh, okay, this one, the cap came off. All right, so we didn't lose any, but this is the 8-in-1 serum. Reduces frizz, humidity shield, strengthen, moisturizer, repairs, protects, nourishes, and smooths. I feel like I'm running out of breath there. That sounds amazing. This is like a serum for your hair. And then we also have a leave-in conditioner. I love, love, love their leave-in conditioners. I have quite a few in my collection that I use all the time. I keep them in my bathroom. This is really good. And we also have, keratin smoothing conditioner, and then also a shampoo. So 2 different new hair care products. I'm so excited to try this line. There are so many Marc Anthony products that I really enjoy that are part of my daily routine. So really excited to try out this new frizz-free line. Thank you guys for sending this to me. All right, and we made it on to the very last box that we have here, and this came over from Rimmel London. Look at this. This is awesome. You guys made it to the end. I feel like this one is super long this week because we didn't do a PR unboxing last week, so I had a lot of packages. But let me open this one from Rimmel. So this one is their Shades of the Season. Break the rules and unapologetically fearless when it comes to your makeup looks. Rimmel London loves providing you with fierce lip looks for the fall season with their Stay Satin, Stay Matte, and Stay Glossy collections. These are comfortable to wear, long-lasting, and ultra smooth. These lip hues have you covered for perfect cool girl pout. Whether you're into matte, satin, or glossy finishes, each style is suitable for every occasion to give your smile the ultimate lip service. So I've actually never tried anything from their Stay line. So we have the Stay Matte. Let me show you guys the package. So here's what it looks like. Lots of different lippies in here. So it looks like we have some Stay Mattes on this side as well as some more Stay Mattes on this side. We have some Stay Satins right here and then some of the Stay Glossies down here. So let me swatch a couple of these. I think this shade is like calling my name right here. This is one of their Stay Mattes and this one is in the shade Blush. This is just like a really pretty mauve-y nude. Ooh, yes, this is like my kind of color. I feel like it's kind of swatching kind of sheer. Let me just try and build it up a little here. Okay, so there is a swatch. That's like a horrible swatch of that shade, but that one looks really pretty. Let me go ahead and swatch one of the glosses because I'm really, really curious about this formula too. So this is the Stay Glossy and this one is in Sunday Best. And let me swatch this. I don't know if this is going to be like a thick formula, if it's going to be like comfortable on the lips. It's kind of hard to tell, but this is like a pinky, like nude shade. And here's what it looks like swatched. I'm really excited to try these lip products from Rimmel London. Like I said, I've heard a ton of people talk about the Stay Matte ones and how good they are. So I'm excited to get a bunch of these. And I'm really, really looking forward to it. So thank you so much, Rimmel London. All right, and after that, you guys, that is going to do it for this PR unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing some of these new makeup releases. Of course, like I mentioned, please let me know what products you guys would like to see in my next first impressions. I know we have a lot of different things to choose from, so let me know what you guys most want to see or receive dedicated reviews on anything. Please let me know. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these PR hauls, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel before you guys go, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, friends.